In order for me to be an artist, a lawyer,
an orthopedic surgeon,
an engineer, I'm gonna have to learn more.
These students remind us of how important our collective work in education truly is as we strive to prepare all Tennessee students for a successful future.
As a Tennessean, I believe in the promise that our state has made that every student will graduate high school prepared for college and the workforce. Because of this commitment, thousands more students have the skills they need to be successful.
Many of our parents now see college as a realistic and achievable option for their children that was only a dream 5 to 10 years ago.
The success we have tomorrow hinges on the work we do today.
Developing our educators as leaders has a tremendous impact on student learning.
In my position as Lieutenant Governor, I deal with all kinds of different policy areas, all kinds of different issues, but none, and I mean none, is more important than education.
We are very proud of the tremendous work that's taken place by educators and community members and students all across the state to achieve the fastest improving state in the nation on our nation's report card.
So let's change the conversation today.
And talk about what's best for students.
Because great teachers,
strong leaders,
and high expectations for all students
matter to me.
And me.
And me.
And me.
When I look at many of my students, I see myself 20 years ago. I want to serve as an inspiration to them that no matter where you come from, no matter your race, no matter your socioeconomic background, that if you apply hard work and dedication, that you can be successful.